Good guys, welcome back to Lion Mark TV. So this is actually coming from Abia State. The Workers' Day celebration in Abia State was something very beautiful to see. You could see Governor Alex Otti taking salutes from the beautiful workers there, and yes, he gave a beautiful speech during the Workers' Day celebration. It was actually 2 days ago. Sorry I'm bringing it late, but yeah, something really captivating in this video just made me to share it today. Unlike me, for just reason I see now the video don't pass now old content make I no share them, but somehow there's a message he passed in this video that we want you guys to pay attention to. Well, sit down, watch the video, no come the rant say where the message dey. Una know the two get patience. I don't know why. Anyway, here's the video. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment below.
Deputy Mayor, Deputy Speaker, the one feedback. Now we go again. What is it? Abia, Nollywood. Otti the Congress Chinese Mama Kalu. I had told him Mama Marina Canadian to go. I had done even Ocha Kaitaya Tatan, Tata ABSU, Tata United States, Tata Nepe, Tata Ugo, Tata ABSU. Jesus Christ, Onyema.
First of May remains sacrosanct for the celebration of workers across the country. And today we are live in MKO Abiola Stadium right here in the city of Abeokuta, Ogun State, to facilitate and also to celebrate our workers out there. In celebrating today, we have the governor himself of the state in the person of Governor Abiodun, as is waving to these people right there. He's doing his thing as much as possible. We have a lot of dignitaries as well today celebrating the workers' selflessness as well as their excellence in workspace. Oshukpa TV right here, Femi Ajayi. We're bringing the report as much as possible to you. Please stay with us.
Today, May 1st, is always a special day for the workers. A day in which work has been celebrated all over the world. And as a civil servant in Ogun State, we are very happy and much excited to join the larger number of workers in Nigeria, particularly in Ogun State, to celebrate today as a worker day in Nigeria.
All right, sir. When we talk about the minimum wage, sir, there's been back and forth between the government and LLC. What can you say about that, sir?
Now, according to the statement of our governor here, we are made to believe that they are still working on it. And as for now, they have never made any special pronouncements on workers' minimum wage. We are expecting it, because today things are very difficult in Nigeria. In the last 5 years, when you witness a crowd in this stadium for Workers' Day, it was a very big crowd compared to what we have today, due to the hardship as a result of the removal on the fuel subsidy, which has affected the purchasing power of Nigerian workers. We don't have any, in fact, what we are having as a take home now cannot take us home any longer. It is, in fact, we are expecting the government to work as quickly as possible on the issue of the minimum wage. As of today, we are not satisfied with what the government is saying about our minimum wage. Well, when we talk about Workers' Day, which is May 1st, throughout the world we are talking about workers' liberation, worker independence, but specifically we're talking about the minimum wage. Either it's going to be reviewed or it's going to be increased, or significantly we're talking about workers' welfare.
And speaking about the minimum wage, sir, right now there's been a back and forth between the government and also the LLC. What do you think about the back and forth, sir?
The back and front, sincerely speaking, is nothing to write home about as of today, but I think it's going to be reviewed. What has 75% got to do with the hardship we're facing in the country? Everything is expensive. Talking about a percentage, if the government is going to be sincere, it should be increased outrightly without any clause.
Good afternoon once again. I'm Comrade So, the Chief Public Secretary of Ogun State. It's a day that is designed to embrace workers. It's a day that we workers remember that we are valid, that we are known, that we are working in Ogun State. It's a day to celebrate our efforts. It's a day that is remarkable in workers' force.
There's been a back and forth about the minimum wage between the government and also the NLC and TUC. What can you say about that?
Up to date, we are still expecting the government to come out with a meaningful minimum wage that will be sustainable a little bit for workers in Nigeria, by extension of the state anyway. But you know, everything is skyrocketing, and you know what we are going through. Today as I speak, you know how much yourself worth, even in your local government. So it is out of range now. We are only soliciting, only begging the government to come to our aid, to help us. We want to breathe. We want to breathe.
Today is Workers' Day. We are happy. We are excited. As you can see, everybody is happy. We are honoring our governor today. We thank God being our governor in Ogun State. He's trying his best, but we want more of him.
Speaking about more, what do you think the government can still do in terms of minimum wage and stuff like that?
Yeah, government can do a lot. They can increase our minimum wage. This money is not enough. Everything is so expensive and everything. Look at the fuel. See the way everywhere it is fuel. So we want more. They can want him to increase our salary. We want this minimum wage to quickly be effective right now, so that everything can become better.
And of course, we've come to the close of an amazing event right here from the city of Abeokuta, Ogun State, MKO Abiola Stadium we've been reporting from as much as possible. Today happens to be the first day in the month of May, and it happens to be the celebration of workers across all board in the country. Today we witness right here at MKO Abiola Stadium the governor coming through for a lot of workers and telling them what he has done and what he will continue to do. Today has been amazing for so many workers out there, their significant role they are playing in the society. This is Ogo Shukwa Television's Femi Ajayi reporting.